Give a like, everyone. Sakit ng ulo ko. Nalasing ka. Hangover yan eh. Hangover yarn. Hangover. Uy. It's up to you, Indian boy. I'm just telling you the truth. Huh? Why your heart is broken? Hangover nga. Diyan ang kausap ko. Kuha muna ako ng ano. Hi, Champ! Hi, Big Head. How are you today? I'm fine, Champ. Wait for a while. I'm gonna pick some vegetables. I'm gonna get some vegetables there. Hi, Ruben. You're looking nicely. I'm not going to date. This is what I'm wearing when I'm sleeping. I don't need a date. I don't need any date. Oh. Ay, pipiliin ko. Pipiliin. You are not moderator anymore. No, you're moderator in my other channel. You're moderator already, but here it's not. Oh, I gotta put you in time out. Me? You're going to put me time out? Oh my